Weekend Warrior! We are on the way to the Home Depot. We're still building the mud room in the garage. We put up the beadboard last week. Kids are going to paint on that today. I'm going to get supplies to build the bench. That's kind of where we're at. Alright, so that costs about double what I thought it was going to cost. I think I underestimated the wood. But that's okay. We'll be alright. Alright, I had to sort of bribe them to come with me. And vitamin water was the bribe, so we're making a drink run. Grace. Alright, so we've got wood.
Vitamin water! It was not me.
And vitamin water. I'm going to cut wood while they paint. Here we go. This is one of the reasons that we're building this mudroom. Because of this incredibly ridiculous collection of shoes that ends up blocking our way in and out of the door there. So the quote-unquote mudroom is going right here on this wall where Grace is pretending to paint. So basically what I was trying to do here is run a network cable from the DMARC in my house where the internet connection comes in, and I was trying to run a cable out of the house and around because I have no attic space above the first floor because we have a two-story. The house is a two-story. So there's no attic space to run cabling through, and the house was not wired. So I was running this wire outside around the house, and I'm using an outdoor rated cable to bury it. And I ran it out and around and then back in next to where the media center and such is. So I can connect this HD Connect to it, which is a digital tuner that I will connect my antenna to pick up local TV. I got the cable run out of the house and then back into the house. Eventually I had all kinds of trouble and actually wished I would have shot some footage of that, but I did not. Could not get it through the wall. But I finally did, and I have not had a chance to bury it yet. But I did get it connected. It does work. And so now I have dual digital tuners connected to my DVR on my media center.